Today we are starting exercise 9.4 of class 8 with question number first. So question number first is use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. तो इनमें हमको ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं सुटेबल आइडेंटिटी यूज़ करके। तो इसमें कौन कौन सी आइडेंटिटीज़ यूज़ होगी तो मैं आपको अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन बताऊंगा कौन सी आइडेंटिटीज़ सुटेबल है क्वेश्चंस के लिए। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज x+3 प्रोडक्ट विद x+3। तो इसमें आपको आइडेंटिटी यूज़ करनी होगी a+b होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू फर्स्टली फर्स्ट डिजिट स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू फर्स्ट डिजिट इंटू सेकेंड डिजिट प्लस सेकेंड डिजिट स्क्वायर। तो इसमें हमें ये आइडेंटिटी यूज़ करनी है। पहले हमें इस गिवन क्वेश्चन को इस फॉर्मेट में चेंज करना है। सो x+3 2 टाइम इन प्रोडक्ट, सेम थिंग 2 टाइम, सो वी कैन चेंज इट x+3 होल स्क्वायर। ओके, नाउ कंपेयर with this identity a equals to x and b equals to 3. So we have used x for a and 3 for b. So a square means x square plus 2, a is x and b is 3 plus b square is 3 square is equals to x cube plus 2 3 जा 6x plus 3 square means 3 square is 9. So it's a solution of first question with this identity. Okay, now second question, 2y plus 5 2y plus 5. So we can use same identity of first question, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a is 2y. Firstly change this in whole square format, 2y plus 5 whole square, because it's 2 times same. So here a is 2y, so 2y square plus 2a, a is 2y into b, b is 5 plus b square. So here b is 5 square is equals to 2 square is 4 and y square plus 2 2 जा 4 4 5 जा 20 y plus 5 square is 25. So it's a solution of second part. Now third part is 3a minus half product with 3a minus half. So both are same, so we can use same identity of question number first and second, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So firstly change it in whole square format, 3a minus half whole square, because these same 2 time, so we can use square, is equals to firstly a square, here a is 3a, so 3a square plus or minus, here is minus, so in this property we use minus. In this case both are in negative sign, so in property we use minus, so positive thing change in minus. Only change these signs. Okay, 2ab sign and a plus b sign, plus is changed in negative sign. So as it is minus 2, here a is 3a into 3a into b is half. So remember, when negative sign in both, when negative in whole square, then we will use negative sign in middle, plus b square. So here b is half, so half square is equals to 3a square. 3 square is 9 and a square, minus 2 cancel out, minus 3a into 1 3a, plus 1 upon 2 square, 1 square is 1 and upon 2 square is 4, so 1/4. So solution of third part is 9a square minus 3a plus 1 upon 4. Next, 2a minus 7 and 2a minus 7. So in this also sign is negative. So we can use same property of question number third. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So firstly change in whole square format, 2a minus 7 whole square. Here a is 2a, so 2a square minus 2 into a is 2a into b is 7 plus b square. So here b is 7 square. 2 square is 4 and a square, minus 2 2 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28 and a, plus 7 square is 49. So solution of fourth part is this. Okay, now fifth part is 1.1 m minus 0.4 प्रोडक्ट विद 1.1 m प्लस 0.4. तो पहले जो क्वेश्चंस थे उनमें बोथ साइंस सेम थे, या तो वो पॉजिटिव थे या नेगेटिव थे. बट व्हेन दीज आर डिफरेंट, वन इज नेगेटिव एंड वन इज पॉजिटिव इन फर्स्ट और सेकेंड एनी वन, देन वी कैन यूज दिस प्रॉपर्टी a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. फर्स्ट जो भी आपको एलिमेंट डिजिट गिवन हो उसका स्क्वायर करना है, देन नेगेटिव साइन, देन सेकंड डिजिट यूज करना है और उसका स्क्वायर करना है. फर्स्ट डिजिट्स आर सेम एंड सेकंड डिजिट्स आर सेम, ओनली साइंस आर डिफरेंट. ओके, सो हियर a is 1.1 m. So 1.1 m square, 1.1 m square minus b square. Here b is 0.4 square. So 1.1 m square, 1.1 m square is 11 square is 121. And 1.1 square is 1.1 into 1.1. We can use after 2 digits point 1.21. Okay, 1.1 into 1.1 is 1.21 m square minus 0.4 square. 4 4s are 16 and 0.4 into 0.4, after 2 digit we have used point 0.16, 0.16. 1.21 m square minus 0.16. It's a solution of fifth part. Now sixth part is a square plus b square product with minus a square plus b square. So rearrange it firstly, b square plus a square. इसे हम कैसे भी पुट कर सकते हैं, ऐड करना है इसे, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर करो आप, चाहे बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर, 2+3 करो, चाहे 3+2 करो, 5 ही आएगा. and it's changed in b square minus a square plus b square. Okay, now first is same and second is same, only digits are different, so we can use same property of question number 5th, a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So here a is b square, so here a is b square, a is b square. Now b square square minus b, here b is a square, so a square whole square. So b square whole square is b raised to power 4 minus a square whole square is a raised to power 4. It's a solution of sixth part. Now seventh part is 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. So first digit and second digit are same, only signs are different. So we can use identity of fifth and sixth part as it is, a square minus b square. So here a is 6x, so 6x square minus b square, here b is 7, so 7 square, so 6 square is 36 and x square minus 7 square is 49. So it's a solution of 7th part. Now 8th part is minus a plus c minus a plus c. So firstly we will change its format, c minus a, c minus a. Okay, now we can use this property, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here c minus a is c minus a whole square, because c minus a 2 times, so we can use c minus a whole square. Here a is c, so c square minus 2, here a is c, b is a plus b square, here b is a, so a square. So it's a solution of 8th part. Now question number 9 is x plus x upon 2. Now question number 9 is x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 product with x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4. A and b are same and sign are same, so we can use property a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here a is, firstly change it in whole square format, x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 whole square. It's a 2 times, so we are using square, is equals to, here a is x upon 2, so x upon 2 whole square, x upon 2 whole square plus 2, here a is x upon 2 product with b. Here b is second digit is 3y upon 4, 3y upon 4 plus b square. Here b is 3y upon 4, so 3y upon 4 whole square is equals to x square upon x upon 2 square is x square upon 2 square is 4, so x upon 4, x square upon 4, x square is x square, 2 square is 4, so x square upon 4 plus 2 cancel out, 3xy upon 4, 3xy upon 4 upon 4, okay, plus 3y square, 3 square is 9 and y square upon 4 square is 16 and y square. So it's a solution of ninth part. So question number 9 is 7a minus 9b, 7a minus 9b. So first and second digits are same, so we can use property a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Firstly, change it in format of square, whole square, 7a minus 9b whole square, because it's a 2 times, so we can use whole square is equals to, here a is 7a, so 7a square minus 2, here a is 7a and b is 9b, b is 9b plus b square, so b is 9b, 9b square is equals to 7a square, 7 square is 49 and a square minus, here 9 7 ja 63, 63 2 ja 126, AB and 9b square is 9 square is 81 and b square. So it's a solution of first question's last part. Okay.